Hello everybody, myself Francis Purva, working as a program assistant in Krishi Vigyan Kendra Karbi Anglong. In this video, I am going to discuss about Google Apps. Google Apps is a cloud-based suite that helps us to connect and get work done from anywhere, from any device. It is very simple to set up. Most of the apps are free and KVK should also adopt these free tools. One of the most important apps is Gmail. Gmail is free. Gmail offers up to 30 GB of storage with many features. Gmail is not only mail service, text, voice and video chat is available from here and can see who is online and connect them instantly. Gmail works on any computer or mobile device with an internet connection, and you can work offline when there is no internet connection. The offline Google Mail application for Chrome lets user read and write email without an internet connection. Drafted messages are sent next time when there is an internet connection available. The next app is Google Calendar. It is a great way to manage stuff scheduled and easy to manage group calendaring. User can make their individual calendar visible to their co-workers. They can send invitation to group events and set personal and group reminders. Google Calendar has an offline support with Google Chrome. The Google Calendar apps for Chrome lets you view your event schedule and respond to invites even you don't have any internet connection. Your calendar will be synchronized when you have internet connection next time. The next app is Google Drive. It is an online storage. You can put files in Google Drive or can access them on your desktop, mobile phone or tablet. You can download Google Drive for PC and you can synchronize files from your computer to your drive. Another one important tool is Google Docs. Google Docs is free suite of application that allows you to create, store, share and collaborate documents with colleagues. The doc has features such as word processor, spreadsheet, presentation, application and also includes some tools for creating survey, quiz, etc. Google Form can be used to conduct online quiz and survey, collecting answer of open-ended questions. The form can be easily published on the web and can be embedded in your blog or website. The next tool is Google Hangout. With the use of Hangout, you can have a group chat and easily turn it into a video or voice conversion from your PC, laptop or mobile phone. You can schedule a Hangout from calendar, start a chat. Google Plus gives you new ways to share with your co-workers. Share your private post with your organization or with your friends. You can build site without using a single line of code using Google Sites. It is as easy as writing a document. You can start your site with one of the pre-built templates. Google Site allows you to display a variety of information in one place, including video, slideshow, calendar, presentation, text, etc. One of the important Google tool is Picasa. Google Picasa software allows you to organize, edit and upload your photo in quick, easy step. Download Picasa from google.com to your PC. The Picasa software provides a simple way to view, edit and organize the photos on your computer. Another important tool is Google Translate. It's a free translation service that provides instant translation between different languages. It can translate words, sentences and web pages between any combination of supported languages. Currently, Google supports 71 languages. There are many more tools available in Google and you can use this for your day-to-day life.